Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning how to use Notion for planning and organizing your house chores, making your everyday life more manageable. To start, open your Notion app and create a new page titled House Chores. This is where we'll be listing and organizing all our tasks. It's critical to have a dedicated page to keep everything in one accessible place. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a table. This table will contain all your chores. Why a table? It allows us to organize information clearly and track progress efficiently. Add columns for chore name, frequency, last done, and next due. This setup gives us a clear overview of our tasks. Next up, start filling in your chores. For example, under chore name, write do laundry. Under frequency, note down how often you want to do that task, like every 3 days. The last done and next due columns will help keep track of when you last did the task and when it's due next. This way, you'll never miss a task or forget when it was last done. Now here's a helpful tip. Create a template for recurring chores. Click on the arrow next to the New button and select New Template. Input a basic chore format here. This helps us because it speeds up the process when we're adding new tasks in the future. Lastly, let's add some color to our chores. Notion allows you to add color tags to your tasks. For instance, use red for high priority tasks, yellow for medium, and green for low. The reason we do this is that it visually enhances our table and makes it easier to prioritize tasks. And just like that, you have a comprehensive, organized system for managing your house chores using Notion. It's a simple and effective tool that can make your everyday life a bit smoother and a lot more organized. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-organized home is a well-organized mind. Happy planning!